Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Today we will continue our conversation about Tesla. Today is April the 19th at the time of this recording. It is approximately 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. And we have a lot to go over today. The first thing we will talk about is the crash that has recently been covered a lot by the media. I want to unpack some details and explain a little bit about the Autopilot feature of Tesla. After that, we will go over the technical analysis as usual, and I want to show you the price targets for the upcoming week. But first, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a Tesla investor as well as technology stocks investor. I would love to share with you my trading and investing journeys. For now, let's take a look at Tesla for today. Through a couple of news outlets here to understand what's going on. According to Reuters, a 2019 Tesla Model S traveling at the high rate of speed. There were two occupants in the vehicle, with one in the front passenger seat while the other is in the back seat of the Tesla. So there is no one in the driver's seat, just like the sergeant indicated up here. The accident comes amid growing scrutiny over Tesla's semi-automated driving system following recent accidents as it is preparing to launch its updated full self-driving software to more customers. Reuters also correctly notes here that self-driving technology must overcome safety and regulatory hurdles to achieve commercial success. So when it comes to autonomy, Tesla has two features. The first is the Autopilot feature, which is currently embedded in every single Tesla that is on the market out there. This particular function, however, does not provide complete autonomy. The current Autopilot features require active driver supervision and do not make the vehicle autonomous. The second feature is full self-driving capability, but Tesla also makes it clear that the future use of these features without supervision is dependent on achieving reliability far in excess of human drivers, as demonstrated by billions of miles of experience, as well as regulatory approval, which may take longer in some jurisdictions. So this tells me that not all jurisdictions have approved Tesla full self-driving capability. In a Forbes article earlier this year, we see that Tesla talks about its full self-driving in multiple levels here. Tesla could potentially achieve level 5 this year in 2021, but the company has not mentioned exactly when it will roll it out on a mass market level. Tesla's lawyer continuously say, currently, neither Autopilot nor FSD capability is an autonomous system, and currently no compromising feature, whether singularly or collectively, is autonomous or makes our vehicle autonomous. This includes the limited pilot release of city streets. So up until this point, even with the limited pilot release of city streets, Tesla mandates driver to pay attention and should be in the position to take over. The fact that the car could be driven without anyone sitting in the driver's seat seems to be pretty interesting to me. I don't know how it is possible because theoretically, you cannot have Autopilot feature turned on without pressure on the steering wheel, weight on the seat, as well as the seatbelt buckle. Tesla also has an internal camera system that will detect if the driver is not paying attention on the road and will stop the car. I'm going to play Brandon Nee's 916 footage here so you guys can see what happens when you unbuckle your seatbelt while using the Autopilot function.
I'm going to unbuckle. This is what happens immediately. The car literally has come to a stop and put on my hazards, and you can't drive. So I just wanted to show everyone that this happens.
Let's talk technical analysis here. Tesla is currently trading at $709, hovering right above the 50-day simple moving average here. Looks like that from a technical standpoint, it is playing out the dark cloud cover pattern that it had a few days ago. And if this pattern does materialize, we can see Tesla go all the way down to 671. If it doesn't hold there, it could get to 646. Now, that is technical analysis. This week, however, is the week before earnings and anything could happen. Institutions can jump in to buy and propel Tesla further. So it's really hard to say. I am staying put. I'm not buying calls. I'm not buying puts on this. From a technical standpoint, I should buy puts, but I am very wary because of the week leading into earnings, which historically has a good run for Tesla. We're still having about an hour left in the trading day, but let's recap. Today, Tesla gapped down and continued down. It spiked through the lower pivot level, spiked through the 50-day simple moving average, and then it bounced back pretty strongly. It has been consolidating around the $713 area, which happens to be the pivot line, and it hasn't retraced a little bit. If it does move up from here and ends the day at around 714, that makes a double bottom, and it could potentially spike up a little bit more tomorrow. As for tomorrow, I see the range, the trading range would be between 725 and 674. It all depends on how the accident investigation has been progressing and whether there are new information coming out of the crash to determine whether it's Tesla's fault or it's driver's fault. So this is it for this video. I hope you find the information helpful. I will come back tomorrow with another day of technical analysis for Tesla. I plan on doing one every day for the next few days until Tesla has earnings, and then we can talk about the fundamentals after earnings. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.